Welcome to this short video on Export XYZ, which is part of the new Kobe Toolkit for AutoCAD. This command allows you to select some blocks and export those out into an XYZ file, or you can also just pick points on screen and they will be exported out as an XYZ. To demonstrate this, I'm going to come up here to the Kobe Toolkit for AutoCAD ribbon. We're going to come over here to the Reports panel and we're going to select Export XYZ. At the command line, we're going to go S for selection. We're going to select these two blocks on screen, and then we're going to press Enter. The Export Attributes form comes up. And this found a block in here that actually has an attribute. So I've got this name tag, so I'm going to select elevation. The elevation tag, I can go elevation here. Now I have my 2-point names. I'm going to give this a new name here. I'm going to call this one STA also. And this one I need to put in an elevation. So I'll just put it in at 0, but I need something in here. You do have the option in here to add more items to it or take some items out. I'm just going to go ahead and go to Export. It's going to throw it somewhere, so I'll just throw this on the desktop and I'll say AutoCAD Points. I'm going to go Save. Now I'm going to clear this. I'm going to click on the plus sign again, and this time I'm going to type in PO and press Enter. I'm going to pick a point on screen. It asks me to give it a name. I'm going to go STA. The elevation here, I'm going to go 120. Press Enter. I'm going to pick another location. I'll call that STA also. Press Enter, and I'll say that's 123. Press Enter, and I'll press Enter again. Now these 2 points automatically come up in the dialog box. It's got the name I gave them, the coordinate, and the elevations I gave. So I can go ahead and export this also. And I'll just put this one in here as number 2. And I'll go Save. And now I'm going to go ahead and close this. Actually, before I do that, I'll just go Export. I'm just going to open up one of these. And I'm just going to say Open With. And let's just open it up with Notepad, just so you can see what it looks like. And there's the file that we've exported out. I'll exit that and I'll exit that. And this concludes this short video.